வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் லெசன் 1 எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் அண்ட் இன்ட்ரொடக்ஷன். அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஃபில்லிங் த பிளாங்க்ஸ். அதில் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு டோட்டலாக 5 கொஷின்ஸ் இருக்குது. First one, the producers of food grains are, the answer is farmers. Collection of honey is a dash occupation, primary. The conversion of raw materials into finished goods is called manufacturing. The conversion of raw materials into finished goods is called manufacturing. According to Gandhiji, the village are dash of the nation, backbone of the nation. The percentage of population is in the cities of Tamil Nadu is 47%. Match the following. Cattle rearing, food processing. Cattle rearing, primary occupation. Food processing, agro-based industry. Iron and steel industry, secondary occupation. Telephone, service or territory occupation. Cotton industry, agro-based industry or secondary occupation. match and find the odd pair. இதில் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம கரெக்டாக மேட்ச் பண்ணிட்டு அதுலேருந்து நம்ம ராங் பேர் எது அப்படிங்கிறத கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன், ஸ்மால் ஸ்கேல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி, கேட்டில் ரியரிங். Forest based industry, paper industry, service, information technology, banking, transaction of money. The wrong pair is small scale industry, cattle rearing is the wrong pair. Next one, choose the correct answer. அதில் வந்து உங்களுக்கு டோட்டலாக 5 கொஷின்ஸ் இருக்குது. First one, agriculture is the dash occupation, primary occupation. Economic activities are divided on the basis of use. Third one, sugar industries are called dash activity, secondary activity. Agro-based industries are cotton. Dairy farming is a cooperative sector. Next one, answer the following. First one, Sandai, define. In villages, once in a week or month, all the things are sold in a particular place at a specific time to meet needs of the people. This is called Sandai. What is called barter system? The system of exchanging goods for other goods is called barter system. This was followed in olden days. For example, exchange a bag of rice for enough cloths. Third one, what is trade? The action of buying and selling goods and services is called trade. What is savings? The amount from the income which is left for future needs after consumption is called savings. What was the necessity for the invention of money? When people exchanged commodities, they might have faced certain problems when comparing the difference in the value of commodity. To solve this problem, people invented a tool called money. What was the reason for the development of settlement near water bodies? Rivers act as the main source of cultivation of crops. Early man hunted and gathered food. When they found rivers which provided them water, they settled permanently near the rivers. What are called secondary occupation. The raw materials obtained from the primary activities are converted into finished products through machinery on a large scale. These activities involve secondary occupation. Name the city-centered industries. Cement, iron and aluminium industries, seafood processing are some of the city-centered industries. நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது ஆன்சர் த ஃபாலோயிங் இன் டீட்டெயில். அதுதான் நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். First question, list out the important primary occupation of your district. Some of the primary occupation are agriculture, crop production, animals husbandry, fisheries, foresting and mining. It also include grazing, hunting and gathering. Mention the manufacturing industries found in your district. Cotton textiles, spinning and weaving, food processing industries, metal manufacturing, paper manufacturing, wind power generation. These are all the manufacturing industries found in your district. How are the industries classified on the basis of raw materials? First one, agro-based industry, cotton textiles, sugar mills and food processing. Forest-based industry, paper mills, furniture making, building materials. Mineral-based industry, cement, iron, aluminium industries. Marine-based industry, seafood processing. Write down the occupations in the service sector. Transport, roadways, railways and waterways and airways. Communication, post, telephone, information technology, etc. Trade, procurement of goods, selling. Banking, money transaction, banking services. What do you know about the futures of cities? A city is a large human settlement, high density of population. City generally have extensive system of housing, transportation, sanitation, utilities, land use and communication. City is a place where business and government takes place. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த லெசன் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் நான் உங்களுக்கு அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.